We request the group to please mute your microphone.
Okay, thank you so much for the floor. Okay, so I commend you for your study. Uh, I commend the groups for this brilliant study. So, this study for me is completely not unique because there are, as you mentioned, there are tons of other title generated ng mga AIs. So, my only concern or question here, of course, I have read your paper, and there are certain features that are unique from the other existing mga uh, AI generation. So my question is what LLM models, or if you're gonna use LLM models in your AIs, what are you gonna use? Are you gonna implement your or train your own AI? Yes, are you gonna train your own AI? Or are you gonna use LLMs models that are available online?
Thank you for that po. That was an interesting question, Kuya Lorjan. Salamat. And for that po is we are still working on it and learning on it po. So we haven't yet trained an AI in ourselves, but rather siguro if there is a existing one, we would use that for more paspas o dali po siya na magamit po for our Capstone AI. Thank you.
Thank you for the answer. To follow up your question, so in handling to follow up my question to the question that I asked, handling LLM models or very large models, manggod. So LLMs models, in handling AI, one of the issues I focus on AI because this is, I think, the most interesting part of your ano interesting part of your study. So, there are certain issues in terms of AI. So, of course, title lang ang gina-generate sa inyo. You limit your study into titles ang gina-generate. But what if there are superficious nga ano ba? Because AI tend to hallucinate manggod. They're called hallucination in AI. So, how do you ensure sa inyong study that your AI integrations, mainly in your title, will not hallucinate in terms of generating these titles? And I ask kato sa ang questions, and I have my third question sa how do you ensure your study that it will not hallucinate?
Thank you for that question po, sir. So, that would be undergoes po under sa testing po for this Capstone AI. So, we would find out about the possible tendencies po paggamit ng in using AI. And we are very open and willing to change something for the improvement of our research po, if possible. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. And last question. Since you are going to uniquely generate a title, di ba, in generating the AI, so how do you ensure like the uniqueness, and how do you handle the bunch of data to check that this title as the overall context of a thesis or a dissertation to be unique? Do you have any data sets to store in where you are going to implement the searches? Or what are you gonna do with this uniqueness that you are talking about sa inyong study? How do you defend it?
We base it, sir, from our study. So the cosine similarity, mathematical formula that measures the cosine angle to vectors. So it's simply used to detect, duplicate, or highly similar academic titles. And we are under testing of it pa po if it is really suitable for our system or Capstone AI.
Okay. I guess I'm
Thank you,
done with my
sir.
question. Thank you very much for promptly answering my question.
All right, thank you, Sir Lorjan. Do we have any questions from coming from our other reactors, ma'am and sir? Yes, ma'am Hannah, you are recognized po.
Hi, hello. First, congratulations on your presentation. Actually, your idea is good. However, ano pa siya? I think uh, since ka-common sa idea, like nag-add na lang kayo ng features ba to make it ano uh, to make the novelty of your capstone kay mapasok siya kay you covering the project management, the cross matching of the repositories, 'di ba? Maggawa kayo ng repositories sa mga capstone project. So very ano na daho kayo niyang koan, but that is a good system. So but in terms of the feasibility ba, given that 1 year lang yung allotted time for this capstone project, are you sure that you are going to make this capstone project?
I would really we would really love to, ma'am, to finish as best as we can as a team. And
Mm.
also thank you for that, ma'am. Thank you for your opinion and suggestion for our team. That would be really interesting, ma'am, because at this concept paper presentation we might remove some functions if possible, if it is not feasible at all, because we're also aiming to provide a capstone AI that is also that could be used by our users, especially for the SIT department. Thank you for your insight, ma'am. We really appreciate it.
But yeah, so you must to consider no the feasibility of your proposal, as well as my question. Not I do have questions in terms of the related na siya sa question ni Sir Lorjan that you are going to utilize right an API AI LLMs, you're going to utilize that. So, Sir Lorjan mentioned that the problem kasi of using LLMs ngayon is the AI can hallucinate. So, I would suggest also that you will consider RAG to um, to retrieve, di ba naman mo yung parang in order that the AI will not hallucinate. So you have to consider RAG integration or the retrieval augmented generation. Okay, ano siya, usually they will address that hallucination na lapses ngayon sa mga LLMs. But my question is, in terms of project management, how will you build this feature? Are you going to utilize algorithms so that the project management of the capstone is I don't know, how are you going to utilize how are you going to develop this feature? Are you going to integrate algorithms or hard coded lang siya ng mga na way what do you that will handle project management. Kasi good din kasi yung features na project management for capstone so that the instructors will have idea ba what are those capstones na medyo tagilid so that they will have intervention, early intervention, so that they will avoid na ma-fail ang capstone, something like that. Which is very good ang capstone, ang project management na feature also.
Yes, ma'am, as we discussed as a team po, we would integrate algorithm po. Algorithm for our Capstone AI system, ma'am.
Do you have any idea na what would be the algorithms that you will apply?
To be honest, ma'am, we have no idea yet, ma'am, and we're still working on it po.
Okay, sige. So, very short comment lang regarding the NLP. If you are going to pursue integrating the NLP, again, if we are going to select algorithms to our capstone, no, we should have a comparison to other algorithms. Okay, they are other algorithms are all algorithms have potential get. It depends on your data set. So we have to compare. We have to have a comparisons to other algorithms. Then sa entrada maganda na sa inyong manuscript, strong siya because aside from the backup literature, you also conduct algorithm analysis na gi-compare ninyo siya to other algorithms. That's why you implement or you select those algorithm kay the best siya or best performing siyang algorithm compared to the other algorithms. Okay, so kanta lang. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, we still have 3 minutes for our third presenter. Sir Lowell, do we have any reactions or comments regarding the presentation?
Good morning. Kanang murag gamaya naman lang ko sa 3 minutes sa next group na ako i-pangutana ha. Para stick pa sa time. Okay.
All right, thank you so much, dear reactors. And for the presenter 3, Capstone AI. Now let's proceed to the group 5.